Hi Neo, it is Mrs. Olson. I thought I would make this video to help you navigate within the world history course. So, all that I have to work with is my own dashboard. So this is the Canvas dashboard. It should look very similar to yours, except that you and I, of course, are going to have different classes. So your world history class is this one right here, the 33301. So clicking on that, this is the home page, and I would say for the most part, you're probably going to skip this every single time and go straight to modules. When you are on the modules page, if you haven't been in it yet, you're going to start from the very top. So this one is going to bring you back to the home page. This is the learning plan contract, and all that it is a list of assignments that, let it load. It's a list of assignments that you have for each month of the semester, okay? I'm going to close that out. Some people like to print this out and cross off the assignments as they turn them in. So you could go back to the modules page if you want to, or you can always click next. So clicking next, this is the introduction assignment that all students have to do. And on your page, what it's going to look like, you are going to see a blue submit assignment button. And so what I have you do is answer these 4 questions or these 4 prompts. Here are my answers to those very same prompts. You can either, when you click the blue submit assignment button on your assignment page, it'll bring you to another page where you can actually write your answers inside of the box. So it'll say text entry box on the file tab. Or you can write it in, say, a Word document or a Google Doc and save that to your computer, and then you can upload that file, okay? So I'm going to go back out here to modules. The very next thing in the class is your Apex Online textbook. So you have to click on this link in order for me to be able to add you to the class. Okay, so these are my 3 classes. When you do it on your end, it's going to say that the teacher, it's going to give you a teacher message. Okay, when you do that, you then have to send me a message in Canvas. So use your inbox to send me a message saying that you've clicked on the link, because that will then alert me that I have to add you to that course or that section in Apex. Unfortunately, teachers do not get notifications from Apex when kids click on the link, and kids have to click on the link in order for us to add you. It's a little bit wonky, but that is how it works, okay? So short end of things, I only have kids use very specific sections in Apex. For example, so I've excused this, but I'm going to use these as examples for Apex, okay? This assignment is a video lesson, and kids had to then write 3 big ideas based on the video lesson that I did. And then this assignment is based on Apex section 4.2.2. Okay, so you don't have to do every single unit or section in Apex, nor do you have to do any of the activities. All of the lessons and assignments are listed here in the modules. Okay, so what I've done, because your first day was the 23rd, so last Friday, I've excused all of the month of September for you. And we are in technically week 4, okay? So here's where it gets a little bit funky. Week 4 is smack dab in the middle of our Unit 2 for World History, all right? So instead of making you start really in week 3 with all of these lessons and assignments, what I'm going to do is fast forward you to what is technically next week and have you start in the age of absolutism. Okay, so your very first assignment and lesson is going to be here, 3.1, Spanish Power Grows. Click on the reading document that I have linked. It's loading. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to load on my end. You can always click this, or you can download it to your computer by clicking that. Okay, so that one just went. You can see down here in the corner that it's actually loading. So it's 5 pages. It does have some text on there. Okay, so you'll read through that, and then you will answer 12 questions. They're multiple choice and true false based on the reading that was on the previous page. Okay, so now I'm going to back out, go to modules, just to be able to show you what the next one is. Scrolling, scrolling, scrolling. After that, you are going to go to the Spanish Armada, which is a video lesson. Okay, and this is by, I think it's history, it's called History something. It's History. It's called It's History, and then you can either go to this Google Doc, these are the same things, or you can download the assignment in Word. You'll save it to your computer, you'll write your answers on that, and then once again on your side, it'll say Submit Assignment. It's a blue button, and you'll either write your answers just like as they appear in the assignment, or you will upload the file from, say, the Word document or the Google Doc. Okay? So that's the first few things that you'll be doing. Once again, you are starting in week 5, which is technically next week. And I think that's it. I think that's all that you'll need to get started. But you can, of course, ask me questions any time of the day by clicking the inbox and then sending me a message through the inbox. Okay? I hope this helps. Let me know if I can answer any other questions. Bye. Have a great day.